How to treat pimples overnight. We've all had those days when a huge pimple sprouts up the day before something really important is lined up. Getting a blemish is a bummer any day of the week, but it can be even more so when you know that you need to look your best for a wedding, a career-changing presentation, a dinner with that coworker you've wanted to date for ages, etc. Now, normally, the best thing that you can do for a pimple is to keep it clean and leave it alone until it heals. But, as the cliche goes, desperate times do indeed call for desperate measures. When you have a glaring zit so prominent that you seem like a shadow trailing behind it, what can you do? Keep calm and listen on. Here's how to treat pimples overnight when you are in an absolute pinch. 1. If you have time, run to your dermatologist's office and get a steroid shot directly on the pimple. This will help bring down the inflammation from the inside so that it doesn't swell up and get infected. The injection will help the medication penetrate to the pore of the skin in a way that no topical treatment can. Hopefully, the steroid boost should go a long way towards calming the pimple down. If needles leave you feeling icky, don't worry. Ask your doctor nicely, and he or she will numb the area first so you don't feel a thing. 2. Another way to reduce inflammation is to apply coldness. Wash your face with your usual cleanser and gently pat dry. Take an ice cube and hold it to the pimple for about 2 minutes, gently moving it in small circles so that you can also cover the surrounding area. 3. Afterwards, dab carefully at your pimple with a clean towel and apply some spot treatment cream directly on it. Salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide ointments are available over the counter at any pharmacy. Let the ointment be completely absorbed into the skin. 4. Take a pea-sized amount of a clay-based face mask and dab it thickly onto the blemish. The clay will draw out the oil and dirt so that the pimple will dry out faster. Leave the clay mask on for as long as you can. It will generally fall off once it dries. 5. Reapply another thick coat of salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide and just let it stay on. 6. At this point, you have done all you can to reduce the inflammation. Make sure you drink a lot of water throughout the day because it can really aid the detoxification process. Plus, being adequately hydrated just makes the skin behave better. 7. Sleep on a fresh pillowcase and secure your hair so that it is off your face. Both of these precautions should reduce the possibility of more germs getting into your pimple. Go to bed and get some quality sleep so that your skin has a chance to repair any damage it has sustained. The steps given here show you how to treat pimples overnight so that hopefully by the time you get up in the morning, you will find that your pimple has significantly improved. However, if you find that it has gotten ripe, meaning the head of pus has gotten close to the surface of the skin, the quick way to deal with it is to extract the head using clean hands, clean tools, and the proper technique. However, ask yourself first if popping the pimple is really worth it. This is not the best way to treat your skin, but there are times when you may think that it is indeed worth it, depending on the occasion.